Welcome to this tutorial on creating a landing page using a template in Wix. Today, we'll walk you through each step to set up a stunning landing page for your site quickly and easily. First, log into your Wix account by clicking the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're logged in, hover over the site where you want to create the landing page and click on Select and Edit Site. Then click on Edit Site in the upper right corner. In the site editor, go to the left navigation bar and click on Pages and Menu. Next to the site menu, you'll find Add Page. Click on it to start adding a new page. You will see various page types here, but we want to add a landing page. Scroll down through the options. When you hover over the templates, you can choose between Add Page or Preview. If you want a closer look at the design, click Preview and a pop-up will show you the detailed design of the page. Once you've found the perfect template, click Add Page. An input field will appear where you can enter the name of your landing page. Type in your desired name and click the Done button. Now, your new landing page will appear in the list of pages. To customize your landing page further, click the Show More icon next to the page name in the list and select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Layouts tab. Here, you can choose between Standard and No Header and Footer. If you opt for No Header and Footer, remember that your landing page won't have a menu. To ensure visitors can navigate back to your main site, link a button on your landing page to your site's homepage. Select or create a button. Click Settings, change the button text to something like Back to Home, and set the link to your homepage. Keep in mind that choosing No Header and Footer means elements set to show on all pages and certain apps might not appear on your landing page. If you want your landing page to be the first page people see when they access your site URL, you need to set it as your homepage. To do this, click the Page Info tab, then click the Set button next to the Set as Homepage option. You'll know it's set correctly when you see the house icon next to your landing page in the site menu. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.